evening, folks. I got great news you could forget about. News that nobody wants to hear. Just off the press. This just in. A man is suing the Department of Motor Vehicles. He wants his gender changed on his driver's license to potato. You know, folks, I didn't write this. It's on the paper. A doctor met a patient in the hall, wanting to know if the patient was on his way to therapy. He said, "Are you coming or are you going?" The man said, "If I knew that, I wouldn't be here." It's on the paper. That's the news for now. The nose knows. Yeah.